Hello and welcome back to your social science / geography class. We are going to continue our chapter number 6, but with its extra questions. So again, as always, we start our class with the MCQs part. कौन सी वाली class भाई? For the extra questions. Questions class we always, not always, क्योंकि कभी change आ गया तो आप बोलोगे कि मैम always. So on the majority part, we do started with the answer the following. And our extra questions class, we do started with the MCQs part. So here is our first question. What is slash and burn agriculture? So cutting down trees for construction, that goes for deforestation, clearing land by slashing trees and burning them. Slash and burn. So a term is appropriate. Second is, which large animal is found in the Brahmaputra plain? So we have to consider the large, not the tallest one as well, क्योंकि giraffe, again for the tallest part, camel, tall one rhinoceros, large, bulky in size, that is large. So one horn rhinoceros, Kaziranga National Park, Assam में मिलता है. Just recalling the things so that we should learn them. तो कभी भी कोई भी term आए, kindly try to connect either or all things with that. Which river basin is the largest in the world? We are not talking about one of the largest in the world, क्योंकि ऐसा होता तो हमारा गंगा बेसिन आंसर होता. Here we are talking about the largest one in the world, so no doubt the answer will be Amazon basin. Next, what is a maloka? So these are the large apartment-like houses to be constructed in the Amazon basin. Then, what is the significance of the Susu dolphin? So it's a species of dolphin, and what does it signify? If it is present in the air, if it is present in the river, or if it is not there. So it indicates the river health. And in the recent past, it was visible within the Ganga river. So it indicated that, okay, the river health is going good. But soon after that, it deteriorated as we are unable to see these Susu dolphins. They are pink in color, quite cute. Question answer. What is the climate of the Amazon basin like? It rains heavily almost throughout the year. So it remains humid over there. So the climate is hot and wet, humid throughout the year with high humidity and heavy rainfall. Rainfalls almost throughout the year. Humidity is there and white rains due to the extreme presence of the heat. क्योंकि Amazon basin lies on the equator. So all these climatic conditions are experienced in this region just because of the presence of extreme heat. Next question, what is slash and burn agriculture? Now, although we have discussed this question in the MCQ part, but यहाँ पे we have to write the complete define. So सिर्फ एक statement लिखने से define नहीं आएगा. For that, I have included this question once again. So answer is, it is a method where farmers clear land. पहले land को clear किया जाता है. How? By slashing the vegetation, particularly trees part. Slashing trees and bushes, and whatever remains at the back, that is to be burned. So then burn them, and the ash releases nutrients into the soil. That ash and the remaining ash is mixed up with the soil. That increases the nutrient level or the fertility level of the soil. That is how it is known as slash and burn, and it makes the soil more fertile after few years. If this practice goes on for few years, not for the entire year, for a bit part, wherever or in which region we are growing the crops. Next question hai hamara, what is a tributary? Again, there are some rivers that give the inlet of water and takes outlet of water. So the rivers that gives the inlet of water are known as tributaries. A tributary is a small river that joins the main river. Together they form a river basin and the catchment area. Where does the Amazon River flow? Within the South America, within the Amazon rainforest itself, and it almost comprises 11 nations of South America, and we have already discussed the names within the discussion of the chapter part. So the Amazon River flows from साउथ अमेरिका में तो है, बट वी हैव टू गिव द डायरेक्शंस ओवर हियर, ईस्ट टू वेस्ट, नॉर्थ टू साउथ, व्हाट एग्जैक्टली इज द स्ट्रेच. सो इफ this is the roughly map of South America, so it flows from the mountains in the west part and reaches the Atlantic Ocean. ऊपर North America है, so there lies the Atlantic. So the flow is from the west to east. From the Pacific part कह सकते हैं, but it is not originating from Pacific. It is originating from the mountains. That is. What is the staple? Routine में खाए जाने वाला खाना. We are consuming the food in routine. So the staple food of people in the Ganga Brahmaputra basin should be rice. Let's find out. So the staple food of the people in the Brahmaputra basin is fish and rice. Fish, river region, and fishes are found in abundance within the rivers. Match the following part. We have 4 options for column A, 4 for column B. Let's figure out. Amazon basin. Again, related one we have to figure out. Amazon basin, paddy cultivation, no. Slanting roof. Piranha fish, no. One-hand rhinoceros. So piranha fishes are found in Amazon basin. Still, let's figure out. जब कभी भी ऐसा doubt हो कि first का answer नहीं मिला, at least we can go for the B, C, D and other options. उससे भी कई बार आंसर निकल जाता है. So we are trying that trick today. क्योंकि in routine हम लोग कुछ common सी tricks use कर रहे हैं. Zigzag way में answers होते हैं. We are finding it out. But first का नहीं मिला. This is a unique case. So let's check out what is coming ahead. Brahmaputra plain में होता है paddy cultivation. So our number 2 will be written over here. Maloka is comprising slanting roofs. Then Ganga Brahmaputra plain, they do have one-horned rhinoceros. And as I have given you the answer, okay, sorry, for Maloka, I have to write 3 and over here I have to write 4. So what is remaining at the back? Amazon basin, piranha fish. So answer was correct, but as we were having doubts, so I have left it and we have done it at the last because only this point was remaining at the back. So इस तरीके से भी आप match the following कर सकते हैं. Then we have some more questions. So discuss the life of people living in the Ganga Brahmaputra basin. So we are talking about their occupation, the food they eat and various other aspects. Here is the answer. So the Ganga Brahmaputra basin supports a large population due to its fertile plain. As I was suggesting the answer, due to the occupation. तो काम सबसे ज़्यादा क्या करते हैं? Agriculture, as the Ganga Brahmaputra basin provides one of the largest basins / plains of the world. तो ये soil बहुत ज़्यादा fertile है, fertile plains हैं and abundant water resources with the help of the tributaries and distributaries of Ganga and Brahmaputra river. So occupation, that is agriculture. Reason for opting agriculture is the availability of fertile soil and abundance of water resources. So we do have some points for that I was just discussing. Agriculture wala jaise ki hai. So the main features of the life in the basin are agriculture. Agriculture is the main occupation. Paddy, rice is the staple crop to be grown in here and also to be consumed. So crop as it requires abundant water जो यहाँ पे easily available है. Other crops include wheat, maize. तो besides paddy or rice, wheat, maize, sugar cane, jute, millets, all these are grown. And in the hilly areas, people practice terrace farming. So agriculture is considered as the main occupation of the Ganga Brahmaputra basin region. Why hilly areas are there? Because Brahmaputra and Ganga river are also flowing in some states. They are comprising mountains or hilly areas. Then vegetation, तो यहाँ पे किस तरीके का vegetation present है? Tropical deciduous forests dominate the region with trees like teak, sal, peepal. Bamboo groves, क्योंकि पानी की availability बहुत अच्छी है, तो bamboos are also found, are common in the Brahmaputra plain. So we are talking about the east part of India on majority places. Then towns and cities, people in the plains live in densely populated towns and cities due to more job opportunities. These plains are more in favor of providing the quality life. तो वाराणसी, पटना, कोलकाता ये टूरिज्म सिटीज भी हैं. यहाँ पे और तरह तरीके के ऑक्यूपेशंस की वैरायटी भी है. So people do move to such places. transport properly connected by the roads, railways, waterways and airways. हमारे चारों तरीके के modes of transport से well connected है. Wildlife यहाँ पे we have abundance of animals, Bengal tiger particularly, elephants, tigers, deers, one-horned rhinoceros. तो ये सारे ब्रह्मपुत्र प्लेन्स में अवेलेबल हैं. And also Sundarban Delta provides the largest delta of the world. Delta सबसे ज़्यादा fertile region होता है that is present on the earth's surface. And यहाँ पे dense forests भी हैं, तो wildlife भी abundance में है, vegetation भी abundance में है, and agriculture तो है ही है. So wildlife के बाद चलते हैं. The basin provides fertile land, water for irrigation, diverse natural resources, making it a thriving region. Everyone is eager to visit this region, to go over there, reside over there, and just live their life. That is how a prosperous region can provide us. Next question है हमारा question number 13. Explain the biodiversity, variety of plants and animals or vegetation and wildlife of the Amazon basin. And वहाँ पे कौन कौन से animals and plants मिलते हैं. So यहाँ पे collectively we have to answer. So the Amazon basin is one of the most biologically diverse region क्योंकि rain forest है, extreme vegetation that suppose the habitats of the extreme concern of the wildlife. यहाँ पे habitat के मामले में wildlife को abundance habitats available हैं, तो यहाँ पे जितना vegetation है उतने ही wildlife हैं. Then the combination of heavy rainfall and hot temperature supports the growth of dense forests. They are the rainforests. Next is फ्लोरा एंड फोना का इंडिविजुअली बात करना पड़ेगा कि यहाँ पे कौन कौन से मिलते हैं. रेन फॉरेस्ट तो है ही है. सो द रेन फॉरेस्ट आर कैरेक्टराइज्ड बाय थिक कैनोपी. तो इनका कुछ स्पेसिफिक फीचर्स भी हैं यहाँ पाए जाने वाले ट्रीज का, फोना का, फ्लोरा का. तो फ्लोरा का जो स्पेसिफिक कैरेक्टरिस्टिक है उसमें है दे डू हैव थिक कैनोपी formed by the leaves, canopy this kind of intermingling trees, and they are intermingling with the help of their leaves and branches, blocking sunlight to reach the surface soil of these rainforests. Shade tolerant plants are growing because sun rays are hardly able to reach the surface. तो वहाँ पे shade tolerant की धूप ना भी आए, these plants can easily grow. So यहाँ पे है orchids, bromeliads store water in their leaves. ये यहाँ के फिर हमने 2 एग्जाम्पल डिस्कस किए एंड एक एग्जाम्पल को हमने एलैबोरेट भी कर दिया है कि दे कैन स्टोर वाटर इन देयर लीव्स जहाँ पे फ्रॉग्स आकर एग्स ले करते हैं. फौना की बात करें तो यहाँ पे है बर्ड्स की इतनी सारी वैरायटी, टुकन्स हैं, हमिंग बर्ड्स हैं, मकाउज हैं, एंड फॉर द अदर मैमल्स, रेप्टाइल्स, फिशेस, इंसेक्ट्स आर देयर. एग्जाम्पल्स हैं, याद करने पड़ेंगे. सो आई एम नॉट नेमिंग देम, आई एम summing up the answer. The Amazon basin's diversity makes it vital, important for maintaining ecological balance, food chain thing that is, and supporting indigenous people's way of life, the way people used to live prior. The entire ecosystem of Amazon basin supports. So that was all about today's class. See you soon with the next chapter, next discussion of the further questions. Take care. Bye-bye.